Gentlemen, I would like to officially introduce you to the newest addition to the House of Pedro fragrance line, Legend. That is the name, and it is legendary. In my opinion, this fragrance is the most seductive, the sexiest, the most outrageous, the most, it's just effing fabulous. The inspiration for Legend is none other than Tom Ford's effing Fabulous. Guys, I don't know how it happened. It's almost like they took like 12 notes, jammed it together like a mad scientist, right? And came out with a scent that is so incredibly intoxicatingly seductive, it's insane. It's also effing expensive. $500 effing expensive. Guys, it's literally the most expensive fragrance that I've ever bought. But the truth is, it is unbelievably sexy, and I know you guys are gonna love it. It's different though. And so that's the thing that I'm so excited for you to actually check out. It's not a clone, it's not a copy, but if you like effing Fabulous or interested in trying it, you are gonna love Legend, because instead of 500, it's under 50. So I'm not gonna go into the details in terms of all the notes right now, but when you spray this, it's amazing, right? And then it quickly transitions into a leathery fragrance with the right amount of spices and like vanilla. It is like nothing else I've ever tried. And it's incredibly macho without going like over the top. Guys, if you want to be notified when this bad boy drops, I'm going to link to it somewhere around here. Sign up to be notified so that when we actually get it in, which is going to be very soon, we'll send the email. It's also going to have a discount code. Bottom line, if you want to smell incredible and get a crazy amount of compliments, guys, you got to sign up and check out Legend. This stuff is literally going to be a game changer in my opinion. And I know from personal experience, because when I was developing it, right, it literally took like 18 different versions, and every time I'd get a new one, I'd spray it on and go home and see my wife. She'd be like, yo, what are you wearing, right? The last time, the final fragrance, guys, I put it on, I sprayed it, I knew we were done, because when I got home, she's like, oh my God, that is so sexy. Guys, you're gonna love this fragrance as much as I do. Hit the link, sign up to be notified so you can smell like a legend.